Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Nehema and I'm a culture news reporter of Mansehra, Pakistan. I'm coming live from Kenya here in Africa, yeah, as I said it earlier. So please subscribe, comment and like our videos. Follow Mr. Bukari also, and you can follow me at Grace Nehema. You can even not follow me, but subscribing to my channel, that is Grace Name Official. I will leave my names at the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because a lot more is coming. Yeah, we appreciate here in Africa. We appreciate everything. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, like, and make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you even share to your friends. Yeah, a lot more is coming. So bye bye for now.